Hello guys, welcome to the video and today we are playing Insane Elevator. As you can see,
We're
I
going
don't know
in.
if you can see this, but I am second on the leaderboard.
I'm fourth.
Yeah, and by the way, I played this game a bunch of times back then
God.
without Zach.
Tricky.
I mean Bill
Dudes.
Cipher.
People know my
What
name, so
is?
it's okay. But they don't know your name.
They already know
So
because of that.
your name is just going to be Visar or Vesar or whatever how you
I
pronounce
will
your
go in the
names.
elevator because I will get something. I am
Ignore
back.
ignore this.
I am back.
I'm going to
Iron Rod Folly.
I'm gonna mute my mic to tell the viewers something. I'm going to I'm planning on
Where
making
did the
a
monster
Kaiju
go?
Arisen video. A solo Kaiju Arisen video. Again. For the
Are
third
you?
time.
Did you mute the mic? Mic?
Yes, on purpose.
Oh my god,
I had to tell the viewers something. You will see in my
bro,
video what I'm talking about.
bro. If you said something about me, I will kill you.
It's not about you, it's about a video. Why is everything red?
Because yes, I will start
I'm
running.
I'm like a spicy Dorito. And now I'm lost in the maze.
Come here.
No, freak you. I'm lost. I'm
I'm
lost.
lost.
I'm actually lost. If I get
I'm
jump
lost.
scared, if I get jump scared,
I'm actually lost too.
there you are.
Oh my god, come here, come here, come here.
No, freak you.
Oh no, bro, freak
What the
that.
hell?
Where the freak did he go?
I went to the elevator.
I see him. Run!
See who?
Turn! Where
I
did you
turned
go?
on. By the way, if you're wondering why I don't have audio, because I don't I don't have audio because I'm scared.
It's right there!
Nah, freak you. I'm going out.
Too late.
It's also night where we live.
I will say it, bro. I will say the word, bro.
What word?
You wanna know? You wanna know?
I censor it.
Okay.
What if I don't censor it and leave the clip out? Then you get
Okay.
cancelled. Turn down your volume.
I don't wanna. I will get out of the fence. I'm out of here, man.
Oh, I thought that was your audio. That was my
Come here, come here, come here,
loudspeaker.
come here. Go on
Where
top
the
of
frick?
the thing.
Where the frick are you?
Come
Here.
here, on the other side, other
Where
side.
are you? Aliens! Ah!
The freaking UFO.
Where are you?
Where are you? I'm
I'm,
right here.
I'm over. Where are you? There you
I'm
are.
freaking fast.
Here.
Get up here.
I got out of the map. Yeah! Let's go!
Let's go, man.
What if I fell off the map? You're going to stop refer stop refer
PTSD.
Can you Happy Independence Day
Happy Independence Day.
Independence Day. We're going to put I'm going to put the clip of you jump scaring me.
Hell yeah. Hell, please got that conversation.
I dare you to try to mimic what you scream. That's That's not the scream.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna pull
Please
out.
don't. Please look at that thing. Oh my god. I will slowly die now. Let's get in the thing.
Oh, I fell. Let me get back up. Back up. Go. Wet me up. Wet me up. Wet me up there.
Let's go, fam. Oh my god. There's one gonna appear there. There's one gonna appear there for you.
Nah. I'm
I
going
do it.
into the elevator.
I think he's in there. I'm slowly gonna die.
I
Because
just went silent as soon as I saw. Bro, I just went silent as soon as I saw SCP-173. I went silent.
Okay.
I really went silent as soon
Okay.
as I saw.
You're third place now.
No!
Bro, you used to be fourth place. What do you mean no?
I will be second place as soon as this guy leaves.
Yeah.
You want me
I
to
don't think
joke?
he's gonna leave
God
soon.
dang it!
This
I thought this was the other level with the smile. I thought I was going to become the juke monster again. The juke guy. GT
I'm so
skills.
far from the elevator. I'm so scared.
I see nothing.
Somebody left the game because he was too scared. I think he went AFK because he jumped. I'm now stuck.
I'm going to get my
I need
video demonetized now.
He's right there. He's right there. He's right there.
Check what I sent in the chat.
Let me see. Oh my god. Where did you go? Oh.
Look what I sent in the
I
chat.
cannot see you because it's freaking red.
Look what I sent in the chat.
I know.
Poop. I thought I broke my game.
Oh my god.
Because
Why are you freeze? Why are you freeze?
Frieza.
Why is everybody freezing? Why are they all...
Your problem.
Just kidding. They are moving. You're the one who froze.
You
Froze. Froze. Hey bro, wanna go up again?
We're gonna go back up.
Yeah, come here. There's
No,
another one
frick
here.
you, I'm going to the other side. Hell yeah. I got up here first. I brought some pizza.
Let's go. Give me some.
Oh no.
No.
You want me? You go get it. Go get the pizza.
I got you, fam.
Need to check if my microphone is working. Where are you? There you are.
Get out of here.
Where the pizza? I swear to God.
I got the freaking pizza. Gimme.
I thought you're not going to do something with the pizza.
Don't, please no. No.
I dropped it! I died! I'm dead.
Why did I die?
No!
I have to spend my money again. That's crazy.
You don't
Jack
even lose your
Wavius the third.
You don't even... Do you even lose your money? Yeah, you do. I hate spending money.
Oh my god. I got the pizza.
You want me to go get the pizza? Okay.
I already got the pizza. Why
I
you
got
need?
extra pizza.
Oh my god, this is... Oh hell no.
Can I finally do my agility skills?
I don't know.
Why is everything
Somebody
purple?
got my pizza.
I still
Let's
have
go.
my pizza.
Gimme. I eat.
I'm going to give the monster a pizza.
Oh my god. Infinite pizza. Infinite pizza.
Hell
Give
no.
the monster a pizza.
What is that sound?
Oh, freak now. That's Elden Ring.
The frick you mean Elden Ring? That's Rink. That's
I'm in Link. I'm in Link.
the Legend of Zelda. Why is he a JPEG? Why is he a PNG?
This is where the music comes from.
I think he's called something drowning. Ben drowned.
Ben drowned. Yeah, Ben drowned.
I type in that. I'm going to go
Ben
Google
dro-
search what he's
Ben Dov-
Ben.
It was Ben Dover. Ben Dover.
I'm gonna have nightmares now because it's actually night in our time. I pressed the wrong button.
God.
I left the game.
Oh my God. Join back! I was about to tell you something. Now I forgot.
Good.
I will not tell you what I said.
Fine, I will
I
join back.
remembered it again.
I joined back. Soda.
We are in the Philippines. Are you still recording, by the way?
Yes.
We are in the Philippines, ga.
I think
Yes, but where?
I already revealed to the viewers that I live in the Philippines before. So it's fine. I'm gonna censor that. I'm gonna be AFK so I can go get soda like I said in the chat.
Soda. Oh my God. Hey, what up, guys? Are you back? Stop laughing.
I'm gonna type something in the chat, one sec.
Imagine you say carbonara and then you get carbonara.
Where the hell is it?
No, 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 no.
The frick you mean no?
Never.
Now you cannot know what I'm typing in the chat.
Please don't. Don't do this to me, bro. Don't do this to me, bro. Just play the game. Join in the elevator.
I'm typing.
Get in the freaking elevator now, or I will kill you.
I need to type something in the chat.
Be fat.
There.
We're gonna-
I cut that out now.
I see. You.
Wait,
Yuki is his dog, guys. Yuki is his dog.
People already know that.
Did you know he used to have another dog?
Do not
That
say.
is dead. His
not-
name is Tupe.
Do not give me sad memories.
Sad fast.
I swear to God. No way! I survived. You know what?
Bro, you were just
This is
sitting
going,
in the.
bro. Pennywise was on me.
You.
Not Pennywise
He
was on my back, and then I survived. He didn't kill me.
You went in the elevator.
Even in the elevator. Because I was just standing there. Or laying down.
Rip his dead dog.
I'm going to cut that out because I don't want sad memory.
Rip his dead dog.
To be honest, I was about to cry for a second.
And rip my dead dog.
Rip. You want me to
Rip.
not censor it or no?
Don't censor it. Rip our dead dog.
Rest in
Their
peace.
name is Tupe and Hachi. Mine is Hachi, his is Tupe. Yeah.
What are the genders? My dog.
My dog is a her.
I'm gonna say it in a cup. The gender of my old dog was a male.
As was a what?
A male.
Okay. I thought you said mayor. I thought he was the mayor.
I told you it would be distorted in the cup. It would be distorted in the cup.
Though you said male. Male. There's no Y in male. Stand up.
I actually spilled some of the soda.
That's what you get for not standing up and being lazy.
Being
Now
dead.
stand up.
No.
What the frick is this? Juke him! Juke him!
No, I must stay in my spot.
Somebody is lagging so hard. Can you see the... never mind. She
Please
lived.
no kill me a child.
This Amjad GG is too strong.
It's
Somebody
so
took your
scary.
place as a third place.
It's so scary. Don't pray it. What the hell you say? Tugs. Please no kill me. Please
I'ma
no kill
juke him.
A child. Kill me a child.
I tried to
Oh,
juke
it's
him,
the
but I got
guy.
to...
I'm just going to lay on the floor. Let's see what will happen if I stay. Either I'm dead or I'm dead.
Either
I'm dead.
No
I'm
way.
freaking dead!
Oh my god.
What happened to my microphone? Did it distort because I was drinking next to it?
No! Is this distorted? Is this distorted, bro? I'm talking in a normal voice right now.
Okay, that's
Is it
going to be the
distorted?
end of the recording.
No.
Yes, I'm tired.
Not yet.
In 20
We just
seconds.
started.
It was like 22 minutes. It was like 19 minutes ago.
19 minutes only.
Yes. I'm not reaching to an hour because I'm too tired to edit.
I'm not gonna reach an hour. Let's just reach 30 minutes. We are close to that
Oh
too.
no.
Hell yeah.
I'm gonna be tired
Hell yeah.
when I edit it.
Don't end the call, please. Not yet. It's too early.
Okay, that's going to be the end of the video, guys.
No.
5 minutes, 25 minutes. I'm ending the video. Okay, it's been 25 minutes.
Okay, so it's been 25.
I'm kidding. It's been 20 minutes.
Okay, so 5 minutes more and we will end the video, guys. If there's any watching, we will end the video. But if nobody watched this video, I will bomb the whole world.
I will bang the whole world. What?
I said bomb.
Bomb.
I'm not gonna say it.
You said bomb, so I'm gonna go get demonetized.
9 months.
Oh yeah.
I cannot move.
I'm gonna die.
Good.
I will kill you.
Why is there police sounds? I'm gonna eat the pizza without you. No! I eat pizza now without you. My freaking pizza!
You freaking bitch!
I actually being honest, I ate pizza earlier. I'm about to die. What if I get picked up by the UFO? Getting out of the...
Let's go! I
Go,
escaped
go. Get back in. Go back.
Has it been 25 minutes?
No, it's been 21 minutes, I think.
I cannot hear you right now because of the sound. Wait.
Turn
What?
down your volume.
What did you say? What did you say?
Turn down the volume.
Bro, what did you say before that?
Nothing.
How many minutes? Bro, your mic is so quiet now. Bro said, don't distort your mic because it can make you quiet.
You disturb too.
Oh, hell no. Freak that.
You also
Nani?
distort your
Let
microphone.
me.
You want
Never
me
mi-
to have proof? Look at our other videos we did. You don't know what I said, then good.
Oh my god.
Bye.
How many more minutes?
I already checked. 22 minutes. We have 22 minutes until the videos and then let me in. I'm I love
Woo!
I love having nightmares.
Let's go.
I'm just using random.
Go. Where are you? I'm not here. I can't see anything. Why are we?
I use my agility skill.
Let's go.
I am slowly dying.
Good.
What is your favorite fast food? Except for Jollibee and McDonald's.
I don't
Hmm?
really.
Eat the other stuff too, bro. Other fast food, bro.
I ate other fast foods before.
What is your favorite out of them? Except for Jollibee and
I
McDo.
guess Wendy's.
How did you get Wendy's if there's no Wendy's in the Philippines?
Oh no, I mean, Max.
Oh my god, there was Max. Yeah. What about Inasal?
Max from the SM.
Yeah.
It's the only it's one of the
What
restaurants.
SM do you go to? I am gonna slowly die. I am gonna slowly
Manila
die.
SM.
I am.
Manila
Which
SM.
one? I'm freaking that.
I will show you. I will
Is it
show
San
in the
Lazaro? Is
video.
it San Lazaro?
I
Is it San Lazaro?
the frick is
Is it really far or no?
it's kind of far. Okay, yes, it's far. But not really that far.
Go to SM San Lazaro. That's where we go. It's not that far.
Me just trying to find where what type of freaking. Wait, is this
Is it
the?
Bulacan? SM Bulacan or na?
No, that's not it.
I'm gonna go to the. I cannot
Me
go to
just
the.
the entire time trying to find out what SM I go
Go,
to.
go, 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 go.
You wanna? Wait long.
Share your freaking screen.
Okay, that's going to be the end of the video because I'm alone.
What do you mean? Wait.
And there's no people here except for someone in the bathroom.
How many more minutes? How many more minutes?
Okay, that's going to be the end of the video because it's been 26 minutes. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.